Hello. Quick unboxing for you of the YOUTHINK touch dimmable under cabinet lighting. Now there are 3 bars here, and one has a controller on it, which you'll see in a minute. On Amazon, this is $29.99, prime shipped, but there is a coupon for an extra 5% off as well. It is the YOUTHINK LED under cabinet lighting touch control, dimmable under counter light strips for kitchen closet shelf, 3-piece light bar kit, 12 watt, 1200 lumen, 4000K nature white. They are touch control, of course, as I said, and they have a memory function, and it is dimmable. What's interesting is they're USB powered, and you can use 1, 2, or all 3. You chain them together. Now, standard, looks to be, your standard USB adapter that you would get with, your cell phone or something like that. We have output 12 volts, 1 amp. That's it. I mean, not much more to it there. It's pretty much basic USB. USB is 5 volts. This is 12 volts. I mean, that's, the max output. But here, it's 12 watts. So 1200 lumens, 85% of energy, a DC 12 volt adapter. Okay, here we have some mounting hardware. We have different mounting options actually they have for you. So you can mount them with the strips, you can mount them with the actual hardware, or you can mount them with the plugs in the wall. Now, they're USB, and they come with these actually connectors, so you can connect all 3 bars together to make them solid, to make it one solid strip essentially. Or you can use the extensions, which are 3 foot long. Almost positive that's what they are, 3 foot long when I read. And also the dimmer is 60 to 1200 lumens. And I don't know where I seen that. 3 foot long. Yeah, 3 foot long. Okay. But the idea is you put one here, and you put one all the way over there, and then all the way over there. Now I'm going to use these in my kitchen and above my stove, which I think is perfect for my uses. This is one of them products where, I've been looking for, but I didn't know it existed until I got a request to review them. But you have a USB port on each end of this one. This would be basically your, apparently they all have USB ports on the ends. Yep. So I guess you could chain more together? I don't know. But this is your first one. This is the main one. This is the one that gets plugged into the wall automatically. This is your power strip. It's just a touch. And the idea, I mean, you can go, you can do this here, like that, and, just mount it, up like that. So you have one continuous strip. Or what I'm going to do, I'm going to have one under a shelf over here, which I have a microwave on top of, but then I have a little workspace underneath there. But then I have one above the sink, and then I'm going to put the other one farther over above my stove, which it's really useful because the hood on my stove, the light went out, and I haven't had a chance to rewire it yet. And it's just a pain, something, But here we go here, 33 feet. 33 feet? That can't be 33 feet of cable. That's not 3 feet of cable. That's what it says there, but it's not. 1 meter, 3 foot. Single bar is 4 watt. 3 pieces is 12 watt. 4000K. 5% to 100% dimmable. Anyway, this is it here. I can't wait to get these installed myself. Actually, I'm really curious to see how they work. Kind of excited. And it's one of them products where it's like, hey, cool. I can really use that. I like to review stuff I can use, or that I find useful, and this is really something that I want and need. But YOUTHINK under cabinet LED lighting, touch dimmable. Review link will be down below. Thanks.